Hello friends, welcome to Center for Nonlinear Computational Solutions. We are a recently formed startup based in Pune, and we provide computational solutions as our name says. This particular presentation is from one of our courses, Math for Machine Learning, and I am just doing this test video to check my video and audio output. Recently I have hardware upgradation and want to make sure if outputs are appropriate. So let me transition through my slides and see if video is able to capture this transition smoothly, as well as you are able to hear me. So that's the plan, and these are my different slides, and I hope you are able to see each one of them. So let me stop there and let us see how this looks. All right, bye.